Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool design, if I may say so myself, but I did not design this. I designed this one, but I'm stealing it off somebody else's YouTube videos so I could share it with you on my channel. And I'm going to do a couple of things different to make it easier. I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect square. I'm going to go ahead and make it 16, which doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to go ahead and make it black by right-clicking no outline. Now, this is where it kind of comes into play, and what I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to do two functions and then Control D it. So I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to make the rectangle or the square 15.8, but at the same time, I'm going to rotate it 1 degree. Now, if I Control D and keep going, I'm just holding my hand down, my fingers. Not only did it get smaller, but it rotated another 1 degree. Now, that in itself isn't anything special. And you see that we came outside the box. So we need to trim that off. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to draw another rectangle and make it 16. And I'm going to hit P. Now, what I want to trim is on the outside of the box. I can select it all and go to intersect. And now I've got a square box with that pattern in it. I can make it smaller. Doesn't matter what size you make it. At some point, it's going to really blacken in because they're so close. But watch what happens when I Control D and using the 2-point arrow. Look at the design. Control D again. Grab the whole thing. Control D again, go from the top down. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.